A new day, new exercise. Let's hop onto it. So today we will be writing a DAX to calculate the statics of the world tallest building in this exercise. So just go here on the website, click here, this file, download the file. I have already downloaded the file, so I will just go and click on the file. So this is the file. So let's fix this problem. What is in it? So it's saying that open the tallest building. Yeah, we have opened the file. Now you should see the metrics like this. Yes, I'm seeing the metrics like this. Now it's telling me that add a new measure called total height m to the building measure table. Use the sum function. Okay, let's do that. In this we will add one measure called total height m. We will use sum of height and the building height m. We will click enter and then okay, and then add a measure called average height of the building. Okay, we will use simple average function. Average height is equal to average of height m. Okay. Add two new measures to whatever measures we have created. We need to add that into this matrix visual. So let's add these measures. First is this average height here, then and then the total height. So let's check if we are at the right point or not. So we will filter out this Saudi Arabia country here. Okay, and then we have two results. One is Mecca and another one is Riyadh. Mecca and Riyadh. Okay, so the total height is 986 and then 601,358. 986, 601,358. And then average height is 493, 601, 358. Yep, till now we are okay. That's great. Now it's telling create three new measures according to the table shown below. Okay, now we need to use the max function here. So tallest height m, we will name this measure as tallest height m. We will use max function. Max function is used for the maximum number of whatever we have. So we will take this as building. In building we will take the height and we click OK, and then we will use the shortest height, minimum for shortest height. Okay, two measures is now created. And height range, subtract shortest height measure from the tallest height. So we will subtract these and let's check the height range. Tallest minus shortest. So now we have created all the measures. We will now put this into the matrix and let's check if we are accurate or not. So till average height we have added. Now tallest, smallest, and so we will add tallest, then we will add shortest, and then we will add height range. Okay, to check if we are on the right page, we will check for United Arab Emirates. We will click here, United Arab Emirates, and we will check the output result. Let's say for height range it's 486. Shortest building is 342, and the tallest building is 828, and Dubai 828. Yep, So yes, we are getting the desired output whatever we had. Till here we are okay, and now it's telling that add a measure called average floor height, which take the sum of height m column and then divide it by the sum of floor above ground. Okay, so what we need to name it, we need average floor height m. Let's make one another average floor height m. So we will be doing it by the variable. I always recommend to use the variable. Why? Because it specifies the steps what we are taking, and it's also very much readable for you in future, or if some other person is using that. So let's say I take a variable and I name it as height m. So it will take the sum of height m column, this one. Now we will take another variable which we name as floor above ground. Now we can name it as floor above. So sum of the tallest height column and divide it by the sum of the floors above ground. So also take sum of floors above ground like this. So we have till here total floors 2, 3, 5 for South Korea, 129 for Seoul, and 106 for Busan. One 129. Yep. So we are accurate in this. Now we will make another measure with average floor, AVERAGEX function. This should return the average floor above ground column plus floor below ground. So we will be taking this total floor. Let's see if it gives us value or not. And we will check for South Korea. 117 50 129 and 106 129 106. Yes, we are having the accurate. Okay, now the final is we have to make this chart. Let's see if we can draw this chart by not. Just check this shit, bro. We will take this Azure and then average floor by countries, let's say. So right now it's giving us bubble. Instead of bubble we will use buildings. Yep. So finally we have these. You can directly see if I'm putting up and down, then we are seeing that's good. Too much good. Nice. That's all for today, bro. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.